Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to take you through 5 of the best rearview mirror dash cams available right now, each of which I've personally tested while installing for clients at my garage. Trust me, each of these has something unique to offer, but they also have their downsides. Stick around because I'll be starting from the bottom and building up to my top pick. For more details, pricing, and to buy one of these products, click the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content and in-depth reviews like this one. Let's get started. Number 5. AZDome PG17 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Let's start with the AZDome PG17, which offers 1440 pixels front camera, 1080 pixels rear camera, super night vision, and a 12-inch touchscreen. I've installed this for clients who were impressed with its picture clarity, especially at night, thanks to its night vision tech. However, there's a learning curve for those not used to such advanced features. One client, in particular, struggled with the user interface for the first few weeks. The display is quite detailed, which can be both a blessing and a curse depending on your comfort with tech. That being said, once you get used to the settings, the AZDome PG17 really shines with its clear footage and handy parking assist feature. Another client, who regularly drives in rainy conditions, appreciated the IP68 waterproof rating of the rear camera. The camera's durability and reliability in harsh weather make it a solid choice for those in all climates. The footage remains clear even in poor conditions, which is crucial when you need to rely on your dash cam the most. Pros: 1440 pixels front camera and 1080 pixels rear camera, 12-inch touchscreen, high-quality night vision, wide field of view, easy-to-use G-sensor for parking assist, IP68 waterproof rear camera, durable in various weather conditions. Con: complicated user interface for beginners. Number 4. AUTO-VOX V5 Pro Mirror Dash Cam. Moving on to the AUTO-VOX V5 Pro, this one is a go-to for anyone who hates complex setups. With wireless installation, it's been a favorite for clients who want something quick and easy to install. I've had a couple of clients rave about how it saved them hours of hassle compared to other dash cams. The 9.35-inch anti-glare screen is another plus, especially when driving in sunny conditions. However, there's no denying that the 1080 pixels resolution feels a bit lacking, especially after testing models with 4K. One client who frequently travels for work noted that while the camera captured clear footage, they wished for sharper details when zooming in on recorded plates or small objects. On the plus side, it comes with a great parking monitor with motion detection, making it ideal for safeguarding your vehicle in parking lots. Pros: wireless 1080 pixels front and rear cameras, simple, wireless installation. Anti-glare screen is great for daylight driving, adjustable angles make it versatile, motion detection enhances security, G-sensor for emergency recording. Con: 1080 pixels resolution feels underwhelming compared to higher-end models. Number 3. REDTIGER T700 Mirror Dash Cam. This dash cam hits the sweet spot between affordability and performance. It has 4K front and 1080 pixels rear cameras, which is a major plus, and I found the footage crystal clear during both day and night. One of my clients, a long-haul driver, appreciated the 11-inch anti-glare screen, especially for those bright, sunny days. However, while the footage quality is excellent, the touchscreen responsiveness could use some improvement. It's not a deal-breaker, but I did notice a slight delay when swiping through menus. Another highlight is the built-in GPS, which adds great value for those who want route tracking. One client who often travels through unfamiliar areas praised this feature as a helpful addition. With parking mode and loop recording, this dash cam offers solid all-around protection. Overall, the REDTIGER is a reliable choice if you want 4K video quality without overspending. Pros: 11-inch anti-glare display, 4K front camera with 4K footage even at night and 1080 pixels rear cameras, built-in GPS for route tracking, parking monitor enhances vehicle security, loop recording ensures you never lose footage, anti-glare screen improves visibility. Con: touchscreen responsiveness could be better. Number 2. Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Next up is the Pelsee P12 Pro. With 4K front and 2.5K rear cameras, this cam is a beast when it comes to image quality. Clients who prioritize high-end visuals love this model for its sharpness, especially at night. The night vision on this model really sets it apart, and the voice control is a great feature that allows you to operate it hands-free, which my clients have found super useful, especially on long drives. I did find that the Wi-Fi can lag a little when you're transferring footage to your phone. This was a common complaint among a few clients, but it's not a deal-breaker if you're not in a rush. The large 12-inch touchscreen is responsive and easy to navigate, so even if you're not tech-savvy, this camera won't be overwhelming. One of my clients who frequently drives through foggy conditions noted how well the HDR feature performed in balancing light and improving visibility. Pros: night vision and HDR technology, Wi-Fi for file transfer, ultra-clear 4K front and 2.5K rear video quality, hands-free voice control makes driving safer, built-in GPS is great for tracking routes, HDR tech improves image clarity in low-light settings. The large, responsive 12-inch touchscreen is user-friendly. Con: Wi-Fi file transfer can be slow at times. Number 1. WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Finally, let's talk about my top pick, the WOLFBOX G840S. I've installed this for numerous clients, and it's easily the most requested. With 4K front and 1080 pixels rear cameras, a 12-inch touchscreen, and night vision, this camera is a powerhouse. One client told me how much they loved the parking assist feature, especially in tight spots, and the screen size gives you an excellent view while reversing. Its only real drawback is its bulkiness. One client with a smaller car mentioned that it felt a bit oversized, but they didn't mind because of the premium performance it offers. The night vision is some of the best I've seen, crisp, clear footage, even in pitch-black conditions. If you're after a dash cam that ticks all the boxes and offers top-tier performance, the WOLFBOX is the way to go. Pros: excellent 4K video quality front camera and 1080 pixels rear cam. Parking assist helps in tight spaces. Clear night vision provides reliable footage in the dark. Large 12-inch touchscreen makes navigation simple. Waterproof rear camera ensures durability. GPS navigation. IP68 waterproof rear camera. Con: bulky design might not be ideal for everyone. There you have it, my top 5 rearview mirror dash cams. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you're looking for more details or want to buy one of the rear mirror cameras, check out the links in the description below. Also, let me know in the comments which one you think is the best fit for your ride. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss out on more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.